Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes for all of us. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me for present our research entitled Implementation of Deep Learning for Organic and Anorganic Waste Classification on Android Mobile. This research is collaboration result from IT Telkom Purwokerto lecturers and Polytechnic Negeri Semarang that funded by Ministry of Research and Higher Education. Okay, background. Currently, the utilization of information technology is increasingly one of the fields on IT utilization is artificial intelligence technology. The benefit of artificial intelligence can be felt in various sectors of life. Generally, AI is used for prediction, classification, recognition, and robotics. This research will describe the utilization of AI deep learning technology for classification on organic and anorganic waste. The difference from the various studies is that in this study, the classification process was carried out using an Android device. So we implement AI algorithm such as convolutional neural network to classification organic and anorganic waste. Research method that used on this research is deep learning algorithm based on convolutional neural network. Steps to implement this algorithm are: first, prepare image dataset. Number of images that used to put model are 86 images for organic waste and also 86 images for anorganic image. So the total of images are 172 images. Second, split images into train and validation directories. Percentage with splits image into 9% for training and 10% for validation. Next, image augmentation process. In this step, we rescale, rotate, and flip for identify image. Then, pre-processing process, equalization process are made for training input. But before training process, we build CNN architecture to produce classification model. Then after model is obtained, compile model with Adam optimizer and binary cross entropy loss function. We use binary and Adam because only classify two image label, such as organic and anorganic waste. Next, training process. The running process is about 10 minutes. Last step to know accuracy of model. Then we test the model with sample image. Based on testing, model that we built has been able to do classification accurately with accuracy value above 90%. This is CNN architecture. CNN architecture that we built have 4-layer convolution. The input are images that have same resolution using ReLU for activation function and sigmoid function. We use two additional attributes such as dropout, padding, and strap. Dropout is used to reduce unnecessary hidden layer, so model become good fit and more accurate. Padding and strap used to make training process become faster. And the result, I will show application demo using Android device and Android Studio. This is a Python language. We build model using Python language, and step to get model, the first is get dataset and then split to folder, split to organic and unorganic, then augmentation image using image data generator, and then we use pre-processing and compile the model. Next, create architecture of CNN using sigmoid and relu. Then we get the model of classification image, and then we train the model. We train with execution time 6 minutes, and the accuracy is very high, 94%. Okay, next, in Android Studio we build application using Java language. We put the model into Android Studio using tensorflow lite to compile the model, and this is the result of the application. Okay, this is application that running in Android device. This is the application. This is in splash screen page, splash screen and done, and this is a process to classify image. I tried to search in Google Image and found an unorganic image. I tried to classify this image using the application. Okay, select image and I choose camera. Then I put the image, choose image and crop the image. Next, the system will identify and classify this image, and the system know that the image is an unorganic image. This proves that application that has been built successfully to classify image with high accuracy. Okay, next, discussion. This visualization of training model. This is visualization of training model. In this graphic, shown that accuracy of model up and down. The accuracy up and down, but not significantly. The model accuracy shown 19%. Next, loss value model. Same with accuracy that have up and down result, but simultaneously the loss value are decreased. Okay, the conclusion: application can run smoothly and can classify image of organic and unorganic with image. The accuracy of system that have been built is more than 19%. Using dropout attribute can increase system accuracy and make good fit model. Meanwhile, the padding and stress attribute are used to speed up training time. The conclusion: application can run smoothly and the system is accurate to classify organic and unorganic waste. Okay, thank you for great attention. Feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.